Let's talk a little about Brand24's newest game changer, the Brand Assistant. Think of Brand Assistant as ChatGPT's smarter cousin designed specifically for media monitoring. This AI-driven tool inside Brand24 helps with project analysis by turning your questions into data-driven answers. Brand Assistant starts working as soon as you set up your projects. It collects data, trends, insights, and patterns like a super smart assistant who knows everything about your project. Why is it beneficial, you may ask? Well, first, it saves you time by eliminating the need to dig through data. Second, its AI-driven analytics detect non-obvious patterns, providing deeper insights. Third, it enhances your reports with easy-to-understand visual insights, making complex information more accessible. Brand Assistant helps you extract valuable insights from your projects by analyzing data and identifying key performance indicators. You can ask questions like, how is my project performing overall? Or, what areas of my brand need improvement? And Brand Assistant will provide the answers you need to make informed decisions. Gain a competitive edge by letting Brand Assistant analyze and compare your brand's performance against your competitors. With questions like, how does my social media presence compare with my competitors? Or, what are my brand's strengths and weaknesses? Brand Assistant delivers the insight to help you stay ahead in the market. Understand how your brand's performance evolves over time with clear, time-based insights from Brand Assistant. You can ask, how has my brand's performance changed over different periods? Or, what trends are emerging? To get a comprehensive view of your brand's progress and challenges over time. Get tailored recommendations based on the latest data and insights with Brand Assistant by asking questions like, what are the latest data-driven suggestions for my brand? Or, what strategies are currently working? You receive customized advice to enhance your brand's strategies and effectiveness. Make informed decisions with contextual analysis provided by the Brand Assistant. By asking, how did a specific event impact overall brand perception? Or, how should I make decisions based on recent contextual analysis? You can navigate complex scenarios with confidence and clarity. Brand Assistant is available exclusively for our Pro and Enterprise clients. Upgrade your Brand24 plan and let Brand Assistant be your guide.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.